Hi guys, this is Mark. Just about to set off travelling again. Silly hat time. Feel like it's summer holidays time. Right, because I'm travelling and I'm going to be on a bus for the next 3 hours, how the wealthy travel these days, I need to manage my open trades and also potential trades. So this is the New Zealand dollar CAD. New Zealand dollar CAD, I took this last week. Initial stop was up here. I think it was actually here around 50 pips. I have now moved it so it's 70 odd. The target down here is 200, 220. So I was risking, and it's 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. What I've done with this one, I have moved it. I've gone down to the 4 hour and I actually put another trend line on here on a 4 hour chart. So when I was looking at here, I have the 55 EMA rolling over. We had this consolidation here the other day. What I might do before I set off is actually move it into here next and take some of the profit off. As you know, I like to scale out trades. And this is the dollar Swissy. Now I'm in this and I didn't like this on a weekly and I didn't like this on the daily because I don't have multiple reasons for the stop. I did take this from the 4 hour and this is the 4 hour here. The thing I liked about this was initially my stop was here, 46 pips away, above the whole number, above the EMAs, above a fib level, and the target's down here, so it's at least 1 to 2. Now this morning I have reduced the risk now, so now I'm risking 25, but I really don't feel comfortable with this to not be able to manage it, and if it starts to turn against me. And it's a slow day today. We've only done 28 pips out of a potential 68, so on balance I'm going to close this one. Murphy's law now, it will obviously shoot down to where I planned and would have been a great win. Euro USD, I did have an order in here for a potential long. So I was in the Swissy. If the Swissy had moved down and then turned back up again, I would still possibly get filled on this euro. Not going to leave it as a forward order for now. But another one to note, the pound. Now, the pound this morning, the inflation news came out worse than expected again. And the PPI, the one that actually includes house prices, rent and the things that people spend their money on, is over 11%, which obviously ain't good for the pound. Tomorrow you need to be mega careful because tomorrow is the official bank rate. And at the moment, everybody has expecting they are going to raise rates by 0.25. I think in view of this recent news here, this RPI rather, and because the core CPI is too high and the year-on-year CPI is too high, there is a chance now that this may be revised, and it's quite possible this could go to 5%. If it does, then that could rock the pound. If it doesn't, that could rock the pound. If it comes out as expected, could rock the pound. So the gist of it is, when there's anything like this coming out, don't be in a rush to trade it. The best advice, and this is not financial advice, but the best advice is wait for the news to come out, wait for the press conference afterwards and see what they have to say. Tomorrow also, to do with that Swiss that I've just talked about, there is the policy rate for Switzerland and they're expected to raise their rates by 0.25%. I think I'm off to Switzerland next week, so need to know what's going on over there as well. So for me, that's what I'm going to do. Anything else, I was interested to long the AUD, basically where it is now. I wouldn't even take it now. I'm certainly not going to place a forward order on it. New Zealand dollar the same. Everything else is really too wishy-washy for me, except the CAD. Now the CAD, I have an order in here to short the CAD with a 65 pip stop and a potential target down here of 226. I am tempted to leave this one in. If the CAD gets up here later today, that will be 88 pips and the average is 76. If it's going to stop anywhere, it's going to be somewhere in here, is my plan. Okay, I hope if you're going on holiday, you're going to enjoy yourselves. Don't leave trades open if you're not able to get to your MetaTrader or whichever platform that you're using. And I say, if you're not sure, like with this Swissy, if in doubt, get out. Catch you later. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, do so now for more top tips and tricks for Forex traders.